Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So, in today's video I'm going to show you two different methods of cleaning temporary files in Windows 11. So, for the first one, go to Start and click on Settings. Here in System tab go to Storage. Here you will see all the temporary files which are present. On your computer you can delete it by selecting it. And then click on Remove Files. You can also clear up your Downloads folder, but make sure to back up your important data from Downloads folder, and click on Remove Files. It will show up a warning like this. And click on Continue. For the second matter, we're going to use a Windows tool named Storage Sense. For that go to Start, and click on Settings. Here go to Storage, and then click on Storage Sense. Click here to turn it on. Here you will see different options to schedule Storage Sense. To delete your temporary files. By default it would only run when you are having low space on your disk drive. You can also change it by scheduling it to run on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. You can also set the time limit for a file, after which it will be permanently deleted from recycle bin. And you can also set a time on your Downloads folder, after which it will delete the downloaded file. For example, if you select it as 14 days, then, after 14 days the files you haven't opened in the last 14 days will be deleted from your Downloads folder. And that's it. So guys, if you liked the video, then like the video and share your ideas and suggestions in comment. And share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.